Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family and thank you so much for joining the family. If you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much YouTube for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Chic for Cheap. And the host for this challenge is Christi Creates, and the co-host for this month is Kristin Kay. And they both are amazing creators. You have to go visit their channels, and they're nicest and kindest people I have seen. So if you haven't been already visited their channel, please be sure to visit their channels. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist for all the participants in my description box. Today I'm going to do two of the Christmas projects based off of Dollar Tree items. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of both the projects. Let me start with this warm wishes sign. And all these items are from Dollar Tree. And I decorated with poinsettias, with some shiny berries and some Christmas greenery. And these are some of the ornaments and pine cone. And the next one is the Christmas tree decor, and this is the plush Christmas tree. And I wanted to glitter it up with one of the cube and one of the dowels. I covered it with a shiny ribbon, golden ones, and I stuck it to the plush Christmas tree. And I had one of the jingle bells. I decorated it on the top. So yeah, this is how I wanted to decorate these two projects. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.